Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing some bath bombs from a company called ColorFarm who sells their product through Amazon. Now they reached out to me and asked me if I would review their product and they would send me the bath bombs for free in exchange for a video. So I said, sure, why not? And I received the rainbow bath bomb set. Now you may say, Midnight Owl, you don't seem like a rainbow colory person to me. Well, in fact I am. That's why I did some more colors on my face and I did brighter colors. I used to actually wear a lot of like kind of 80s neon colors, like bright pinks and blues and greens and stuff. I know I kind of like went through this phase and I liked, tons of color and stuff, but I still do like it. Even though I dress in black most of the time, I do like color. I actually do like the whole like pastel goth kawaii look. I just don't dress that way because I just don't feel like I could pull it off that well. Like I just don't feel like colorful cutesy for some reason. I just feel more dark, but I do like rainbow stuff and colors and everything like that, so I thought this would be a cute set to review. So I have not opened it yet. I'm going to open it now with you guys. Oh my god, so cute. So they're huge. It's like 3 rainbow bath bombs. Look how cute that is. And then you can see the colors here on the top. So yeah, there's 3 of them, which is really cool because I was like, oh, maybe it's just going to be one, or it's going to be like one rainbow one and a couple other small different shaped ones, but they're all rainbows. And I never was really into bath bombs myself because I didn't really take baths all that much. It wasn't until I started making bath bombs myself that I kind of got into them more, and I think like making them and like the whole process and then like seeing them, the way they come out and they fizz in the tub is just kind of like exciting to me, I guess. So I got into bath bombs more, the more that I like started making them myself. But these ones are done like really, really well. Like the colors are perfect, and I love the shape of it, like the rainbow. I just think it's super cute. Oh look, there's a little card they put in here. It says, you don't have to see the whole staircase just to take the first step. That is true. There's a card in here, I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, ColorFarm, best wishes. Time such as water, always silent. If you are, well, it is sunny. Ah, okay, so it's just like, it gives the links and stuff to their site if you wanted to purchase some of their stuff, which I will list down below in the description box. I'll list their Instagram, their email, their website and stuff like that, and the links through Amazon. Yeah, it says on here, it's their Amazon. So their product is sold through Amazon. Now, I don't know, I like the way that like the bath bombs look and stuff, like they're super cute, but I'm like, I just don't like ruining them, like you put them in the, that's what they're for. They're to be used in the bathtub to take a bath, because bath bomb, but I just hate ruining them because they're so cute looking, but I'm happy that there's 3 of them, so one gone is fine. So I figure I will fill the tub and put the bath bomb in there, see if it has like a scent to it and how it looks, and possibly get in there and take a quick bath. So sorry my bathtub is not luxurious and nice. It's just a plain old ugly bathtub. Okay, so let's put the bath bomb in here. This one's broken actually, so I figured I'd use this one just so I can save the nicer ones. Like I said, I just like keeping them, and I don't like just, getting rid of them by dissolving them. So, see how it's just broken right there? Let's put it in there and see what happens. Look at the rainbow! Oh my god, so cool. I didn't know it was gonna do that. So pretty. Like I didn't know it was gonna shoot out like in jets, like coming out, and they're like little bubbles. Oh my god, it's so cute. You can hear my son in the background. He's like, what are you doing in there? Now, bath bombs do not stain your bathtub, so they are fine to use. They don't stain your skin either. Oh my god, look at the bubbles. Isn't that so cute? I love that. I didn't know it was going to do that. Alright, so once this is fully dissolved, I will get in. I'm trying to see what the scent is. It's almost like a tropical-y type scent. It's not like overwhelming or anything. It's just like a mild, like fruity type of scent. So obviously I wasn't gonna get it naked. I've never worn my bathing suit in the bathtub before. It's a little odd, but the thing is still going in here. I mean, it's like a maroony type color. I think it shows up more like ugly and dirty on camera than it is in real life, but whatever. So I figured I'd give you guys like a history of bath bombs because I had no idea where they came from, like who first made them and why they became so popular. So it says the bath bomb was invented in 1989, no idea, by Lush Cosmetics. I didn't know Lush started it either. I've never bought anything from them before, but they seem to be popular. They're just kind of like overly priced for me. That's why I just don't buy their stuff. It says she was working it from her shed. She was inspired to create her aqua sizzlers, which later would become bath bombs. After she became intrigued with Alka-Seltzer tablets, like those things when you have an upset stomach, you put it in water. So that's kind of cool to know. It started like late 80s and it was by Lush. I literally had no idea. This thing is like attacking me. I don't know how they make them like this with like the colors that just jet out like that. I just make the basic like round ones. That's so cool. And like the little, I don't know why I'm so fascinated by the little bubbles that are coming out of there. I feel like I'm taking a bath in like grape soda or something like that. So if you go on Amazon, I will put the link like I said, and you can see ColorFarm being sold, and they have different kits. There's even a cute one on here that looks like all different types of fruit shapes. They're showing the rainbow ones that I got. Let's see what this, oh, and this one here is ColorFarm Aromatherapy Fizzies. Shower bombs. I've never heard of shower. Like, really? Are they for your shower? For relaxation. Lavender, eucalyptus, vanilla, watermelon, grapefruit, and peppermint. You just like dump them in the shower instead of in the tub? I am intrigued. So I think the bath bomb is like basically fully dissolved now. Maybe there's like a little specks left, and you're left with like a grape soda type color. Actually kind of looks black, so it's kind of like fitting for me. But I don't know, I think they're cute. I like the way that they, like I said, they fizzed and the trails came off of them with like the bubbles and stuff like that. And I mean, if you're into like bath bombs and taking baths and stuff, then I would recommend purchasing from ColorFarm. And I think they're reasonably priced. So like I said, I will put the links down below if you want to purchase some for yourself and see how they are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of ColorFarm bath bombs. If you did, please give me a like, and in the comments down below, let me know if you're a bath bomb type of person or if you like to take baths. I wish I had like one of those big, nice, fancy bathtubs that like covers your whole body, because like this, like I'm a tall person, and when you get in, it's just like your knees are up in the air and you're half sticking out, and it's not that great. So you know what I mean if you're a tall person. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys here. I'm always doing all sorts of different things here that are usually on the fun side because I like to have fun. So until next time, stay dark, my friends, and sometimes colorful. And I will talk to you guys later.